Okay, let's take a look at this set of numbers. Now, I can find the mean without putting the numbers in order, but I like to just put them in order first. I just like to get that out of the way, and then to me, I find it easier to enter them in my calculator in order anyway, because I don't know, it's just easy to like remember the numbers that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in order. So I'm finding the smallest number first. So that's 4. All right, 4, crossed it off. What's the next number? 5. The next smallest number is 8. The next smallest number is 9. There's another 9. And then 11 and 12. And what I'm going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm counting. There's 7 numbers here. Let's make sure I got 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Now I know I got all the numbers. I didn't miss any. I didn't add any. Okay, so mean. First, the mean is I'm going to add all these up. 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 11 plus 12. Okay, please be careful. Like right here, let's say if I just typed 11, but I only typed 1 by mistake and I didn't notice, my answer is going to be wrong. So just like type it slow, go back, double check that you have it right. That's 58, right? So when I add them up, I get 58. And now what do I still need to do? I'm dividing by the number of numbers, which is 7. So once I have 58, look, I can just type divided by 7 in my calculator, and I get 8.28. Now I'm going to round to the nearest tenth. So this is the number I'm rounding. I'm going to look next to it. I'm going to round it up, and I get 8.3. And what I want to do is, before I move on, just make sure that that makes sense. Is 8.3 kind of in the middle of these numbers? Yeah, right? Looks like there's like some 8s and 9s, and then there's some lower and some higher. So yeah, 8.3 seems about right. Okay, median. With the median, this is visual. So I'm going to just start on either end. Okay, and then I'm gonna move in 1, move in 1, move in 1, move in 1. Here's my center number. I'm gonna circle it. Why am I circling it? Because this is a visual topic. So my median is 9. Now, if I have an even number of numbers and my median is in between 2 numbers, let's say I landed here and it was in between 8 and 9, then I would do, like this, I would do 8 plus 9 divided by 2. In this case, I don't have to do that, right? But that's what I would do if it was in between 2 numbers. Let's look at the mode. The mode means the number that occurs more frequently. Sometimes there is no mode, but sometimes there is. In this case, the 9 occurs more frequently than other numbers, so it's 9. Minimum is the smallest value, that's 4. Maximum is the largest value, that's 12. The range is the maximum minus the minimum. It's the distance from here to here, so that's 12 minus 4, which is 8. The first quartile is the middle of the bottom half. So look, I'm gonna cover the median and the top half, okay? And then I'm gonna look at the bottom half. What's the middle number? Don't overthink this. There's 3 numbers. Which one's in the middle? The 5, okay? That's the first quartile. And we're gonna do the same thing for the third quartile. That's the middle of the top half. So here's the top half, there's 3 numbers. Which one's in the middle? The 11, okay? And you should be able to see visually, it looks like you've cut the numbers in half and then cut each half in half. So this is 5 and 11, and the interquartile range is the third quartile minus the first quartile. So this was 11 minus 5, so which is 6, right? For the range, the full range, that's the maximum minus the minimum. That's the range of all the numbers. And the interquartile range is the range of just from here to here. Okay, so that is everything. You're gonna go ahead and try over here.